guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is going to be a good old-fashioned makeup tutorial, and especially for this festive Raya season, I've come up with this look right here. I know that it's not any revolutionary look in particular, but I wanted to create something that has glam but at the same time achievable, and most importantly will last you the whole day. So most of the products that I'm using today will help you achieve that no budge look that you will want to wear on Raya. So if you're interested to know how to get this Raya look right here, then please keep on watching. First of all, to make sure everything stays in place, I'm gonna spray on some MAC Prep+Prime Fix Plus. To smoothen out the surface of my face, I'm gonna put on this high adherence silicone primer from the Ordinary. For foundation, I'll be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I'm gonna apply this all over my face by using a beauty sponge. This foundation is perfect for Raya because it stays on your face for a very long time, and on top of that, it also has SPF 15. With this foundation, a little really goes a long way, so you don't have to use too much. What's also good about this foundation is that this is its true color and it doesn't oxidize much throughout the day. Before that, I'll be concealing the blemishes on my face using this MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette. Next, I'm gonna set everything in place with this MAC Studio Fix Pressed Powder. When you put this on, your base doesn't crack, doesn't cake, and doesn't crease. I'm obsessed with this pressed powder. It just sets everything in place without making it cakey at all. Because of this powder, I've stopped baking and I just use this to set my base in place. Now that we're done with the base, I'm gonna move on to the brows. I'll be using this MAC Lingering Eyebrow Styler and start filling in my brows as per usual. Moving on to the eyes, first I'll be using the Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot by MAC. This will be my eyeshadow base. I'll be using the Risk Taker palette by MAC, and I'm gonna use this taupey color right here and use it as a transition shade. I'm gonna do a halo eye look, so next I'm gonna take this matte pink shade and this is gonna go into my crease. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on the outer corners of my eyes and also on the inner corners, and then connect them together through the crease. And then to top it all up, I'm gonna apply this shade Outfitted. That's a shimmery champagne shade, and apply that on the center of the eyelid. When it comes to shimmers, I always love to just use my fingers because I feel like I get the best color payoff when I do that. I'm gonna go back to the crease shade again, that pink color, and apply it on the lower lash line. Now curl your lashes because we're gonna put on some mascara. The mascara that I'll be using today is this MAC Instacurl Lash Mascara. Now it's time for some eyeliner. I'll be using this Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining pen from Clinique. Moving on to the face, I'll be using this Parkave Princess Bronzing Palette by Tarte. And I'm gonna start contouring my cheeks and my nose. As for blush, I'll be using this Patrick Star X Matte Blusher Duo. Of course, no look is complete without highlights. So I'll be using this Hyper Real Glow MAC highlighting palette to highlight my cheekbones, the tips and bridge of my nose, brow bones, and also the inner corners of my eyes. Straight on to lips. Before I'm gonna apply any lip product, I'm gonna put on some of this MAC Prep and Prime Lip to smoothen out my lips. Next, I'll be using this matte lipstick from MAC in the shade Please Me. And to add a little bit more pizzazz, I'll be putting on this MAC Dazzle Glass Lip Gloss in the shade Goldie Rocks on my lips. And lastly, of course, set everything in place with the Fix Plus Setting Spray. This will make sure that your makeup will stay put all day long. So that's it. This is the completed look. I hope it is easy enough for you guys to follow. If you guys want your makeup to stay all day long, I really suggest that you go for the Studio MAC Fix. This is my favorite. I use this all the time. And of course, to lock everything in place, don't forget to spray on some MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and you should be good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, you can click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Selamat Hari Raya! Bye!